Welcome to Computer Applications for Business and Industry. My name is Ms. Horn and I will be your instructor. I'm very excited about the semester and wanted to do a quick video to give you an overview of the course and show you how to get started. What I always tell students is to click on the home page and start there and make sure you look at all the information on this page, such as my contact information as well as my office hours. There's also a picture of the textbook with your textbook information, an overview of how the course works, and your weekly announcements will be posted here. So if at any time you're not sure what you need to do for the week, you can always click on the home page to see those announcements. So once you have finished viewing the home page and you're ready to actually get started in the course, you want to click on this button down here and it will take you to the online orientation module. And let me log back in. So now we are in modules, and you will complete the online orientation module first. If throughout the semester you have a question about something, you can click on Online Orientation Course Review, and it has a lot of helpful information such as attendance and Holmes Community College policies and information. So you can use this at any time throughout the semester. Once you completed the online orientation module, you are ready to go to the next module, which is important course information. This is information specifically about this course. So it will have your textbook and software information, class policies, make sure you read that carefully, your course syllabus, your calendar. You might want to print this off so you can keep up with your due dates, especially your proctored exams. And then it has some more helpful information here. Now, once you've completed both of those modules, you're ready to start the class, and you're going to start the class with a discussion board. And then you'll move through these modules throughout the semester. One thing that I really want to emphasize is your testing dates. Once you go to your course calendar or your semester calendar and see your proctored exam dates, you should go ahead and click on Smarter Proctoring and schedule appointments for those exams because times fill up fast. And you can scroll through and look at the different modules to see. As you can see, your proctored midterm exam dates are here. So I highly recommend that you schedule those immediately. So going back to the home page, remember, if you have any questions, feel free to email me, or you may text me via Google Voice. This is the number for my Google Voice. I'm looking forward to a great semester with you all. If at any time you have any questions, please let me know, and I hope you have a wonderful semester.